Hello everyone, welcome to Sigin. I am Dr. Khushbu. Khushbu Shugani, Khushbu Srivastava, Dr. Khushbu. You all know me by various different, like different ways people call me. So this video I'm making today is regarding our upcoming yoga training batch. I Let me just share the flyer and I'll quickly take you through what this program is all about and will answer to some frequently asked questions which I have been receiving on my emails, chats, telegram from various parents. So I thought I'll quickly make this video and share it with everybody. All right. So this is the flyer you would have received either on one of the chat windows or on the emails or from the Facebook, wherever we are connected. So this is our fourth batch, which we are starting from 1st of February. As you can see here in the first box, it's a learning program. It is not like a regular yoga class where we meet every weekdays or weekends and practice yoga for 1 hour. It's more than that. We will definitely be doing those practical sessions as well. But before we go to that stage, we will be learning the theoretical part, the basics of the science behind yoga. All that structure I have put up on the events page. I will show you that as well. But this was just to clarify that it is not just a yoga class, it's a learning program. The new batch is starting from 1st of February. 1st February, we will be meeting only to go through an introduction of this course, as in what all this course covers, and the members who finalize their joining in this batch, we will be discussing on the timings as well because every time when I start a new batch, we have people joining from different time zones. So my proposal of time currently is Indian Standard Time, 6 to 7 a.m. in the morning on the weekends. So the 16 live sessions would be on 8 weekends, every Saturday, Sunday, starting from 1st of February. 1st of February is a weekday, but following that, whichever weekend it is, we will be meeting every Saturday and Sunday early in the morning, 6 to 7 a.m. But, if the registered members are not convenient with this timing, we will definitely coordinate and come to a common timing which suits everybody based on the different time zones you people are joining in from, your working hours, or whatever is your other commitments in those timings. But yoga, if we practice it in the early morning hours, that's the best time actually. So 16 live sessions, like I said, every weekend. And that way it completes in 60 days. So it's a 60 days thorough program where we will meet live on the weekends, and the other days we will have the discussion going on in the group, or personally also if you want to send me any queries if you have on the emails. So that will be in an offline mode. Offline as in अभी तो सभी कुछ online है, but online offline like on the chats and emails. So, yeah. Then the sessions will be on Microsoft Teams, not on Zoom. Microsoft Teams भी कैसे use करना है? In case you are new to it, I have made a small video on that and put it up on Sigin Mantra's YouTube channel. So we will share that also with you. Coming to the program structure and other details, which many of you were asking me, I will just take you to the website either from your phone or on the desktop, wherever you are. You just have to go to the Sigin Cure website, www.sigincure.com. It's Sigin Cure because it was started with only Sigin Homeopathy. So we came up with this name, Sigin Cure, and now it is just Sigin. So when you go to Sigin Cure, this page, Yoga at Home, describes in detail about what this program is all about. So it's a program which is spread over 8 weeks time. The sessions will be online, like I said, live Plus, yes, of course, the recordings will also be shared with you. The live sessions that we will do in this batch, plus the previous batches, which I was running more in a recorded mode, all the practice sessions and everything. I will be sharing all that with you. So you will have recorded tutorials as well, and of course, there's an individual guidance. Like some of you had messaged me asking that I am suffering from so and so condition. So can I do this? Yes. See, yoga is for everybody, but you just need to know what other things you need to take care of. What is a particular posture or a pranayam or any such yogic practice which is contraindicated in any given condition. So that's the beauty of this program, where you will be learning about all these things in details, and you will not need any assistance further, neither for yourself nor for anyone in your family or your kids. You will be your own yoga coach after learning all the basics. You will know what to do, when to do, why to do, what not to do. Yeah. So that now, what are the things that we will cover in these 8 weeks? Week one, we will be talking about fundamentals of yoga and the spiritual anatomy. By spiritual anatomy, we mean how is the human body designed deeper and in the inner layers, not just the physical body, but the inner layers of the body also. Then week two, as you can see, the whole the plan for the schedule for this entire yoga program for 8 weeks is given here on this page. Then here are the testimonials from the parents who had joined me in previous batches. You can check through that also. If you want to register the cost and other things, you need to come to the events page. And I think on events page, you will be able to go through the entire schedule also, even before making the payment. So when you come to the schedule page, the first one, this 1st February, this one, 1st February, Segan Yoga, Be Your Own Yoga Coach, is a free session. It is mandatory for those who register to attend, because we will be talking about how the modules are designed and how we plan to take it further. The other members who are interested to join but still want to attend this session first and then make their decision final are most welcome to join us in this session. So if you are looking to join only the free session first and then finalize your decision, you need to register here. If you have made up your mind and you want to just go ahead with it, then you need to directly register here. This starts from the weekend, 6th February. When I click on register, it takes me to the detailed page. Segan Yoga Training Program. Saturday would be our first class, 6th February. Timing, as of now, the proposed timing is 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. So here it's the start date 6 February 6 a.m. and the end date, which is 31st March 8 p.m. That will totally depend upon the joining members. We will work on that based on everyone's convenience. Now the program schedule. So as you can see here, the schedule: week 1, session 1, fundamentals of yoga. Week 1, session 2. So Saturday we will meet and discuss the fundamentals of yoga. Sunday, we will meet to talk about spiritual anatomy. The timing so far, as of now, 6 to 7:15 a.m. If you click on See All, it gives you the entire schedule, the whole schedule. What are the topics we will be covering on each of these weekends? It also includes the last session, which is a Q&A. So this is the details of the whole program structure. Now, if you've decided to go ahead with it, you need to click on Get Tickets. It will take you to the payment page here. And the cost for this program is 7,000, which is the early bird cost. And trust me, guys, it would appear to you that the cost is too high, but once you go through the program and you see the value that it will add to your knowledge and practice of yoga, you won't find it more. What I have learned after spending more than 40 to 50,000 and doing various different programs, like understanding the science was a different yoga training that I took. Understanding how to do it for our children was a different yoga program. Getting into practice to learn the practical challenges was a different program. So I have done various different courses to understand, and it's the gist of everything which I am bringing for you. Even the members from previous batches who wish to join can get in touch with me, and if you want to just review your learnings and practice again with us, please connect with me personally and we can work it out. So when you click on the quantity, it will give you an option to check out. Now here, if it is showing you 7,175, you can also make the payment directly either on my account or on the Google Pay number, which I will share with you personally if you drop me an email. And I believe also shared my yeah. So if you fill all the buyer details, so let's say Khushbu and email ID. So when I fill in all the data here, it also shows me a manual payment option. And manual payment is what if you do, it won't charge you this extra 175. Manual payment पे आप click करेंगे तो I have given my GPay number here. Account details, I don't know how much it is safe to provide here. That's why I said if you decide to pay directly in my account, please drop me an email at dr.khushbushugani@gmail.com. I will put my email ID in the description box of this video as well. So this is all about the yoga training program. Let me just come back to this window. Yeah. Now, one more thing I just want to mention here. Few people have been asking me, are these classes also for kids? So, let me clarify. It is not for kids because if we want to train something our kids on, we need to learn that first. Until and unless we do not know about it, how will we train our kids on that? So these sessions are not for kids. It's a learning program for you so that you can work with your children. The major challenge which I faced with my child was when I was sending him to classes, it was only I who knew his challenges with the social skills, language skills, the behaviors, and everything. So I knew what, when, and how of everything. So it was getting very difficult for me to reap the benefits of yoga by just sending him to any random kids yoga classes, and we were not getting any benefits out of it. When I took him along with me to my own yoga center where I was going and learning, he was not getting because it was getting too monotonous and too boring for him. The way we adults practice yoga is something which will not appeal to each and every child, especially our children who are on the spectrum. So that's why this program is designed, which will definitely give you a lot of tips and techniques to work with your kids also. That's a part of the program. But it is not just for the kids. It's a very comprehensively designed program, which will give you all the see, it's a very vast, very huge subject and topic, but we will be touching all the important aspects of it so that you don't need anybody ever to practice yoga for yourself or anyone in the family, your kids, the senior members, anybody in the family. So it will be a learning which will stay with you for the lifetime. Yeah. So on that note, I'll end this video. If you have any questions, any doubts, Join us on 1st of February. The session is scheduled for the evening hours, 7 p.m. See you all then. Yeah. Bye bye.